Well, if we were to do it like we did back in the day, you'd start the timer right about now. Beautiful conditions. And so I said, what better bike for him to learn on than an 08. So that YZ is going to serve him well, and sure, I'm excited for him. Beautiful conditions. Wow. Well, what is up, YouTube? It is your boy Messy Rides, coming back to you again with another midweek rips. I believe this is episode 26. We're gonna shove off out into the Gila River for a quick lap on lunch, and I'll update you guys on some to-doings back at the casa. A little bit chilly, so I'm wearing my jacket. Kinda have to go poop a little bit, so hopefully we make good time and I don't tip over. So I'd sure hate to crap my shorts on a work day. That would not be cool. Rained recently, so I've been kind of itching to get out, feel it out. Got some rides coming up this weekend. Little to no dust right now. Beautiful. Gonna take some fellas out on Sunday through the Gila River, probably up here. Then I'll take the 04 KTM 300 and kind of give that its maiden voyage, its maiden rip. Well, if we were to do it like we did back in the day, you'd start the timer right about now. Beautiful conditions. Yeah, baby. Feeling real good. Big ol' rock. Beautiful conditions. Wow. So I'll fill you guys in. Another little update. On top of getting the 04 300, I sold the 08 YZ. Sold it to a young man. Well, I sold it to his mom. Her son, 14, is gonna start learning how to ride MX. And so I said, what better bike for him to learn on than an 08. So that YZ is going to serve him well, and sure I'm excited for him. I know I had a lot of fun on it. A couple spills and many thrills. But we'll put a little bit of sweat equity into the 04, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I mean, drop a comment below if you want to leave some feedback or some suggestions, but the Yamaha finances went towards responsibilities, bills, mortgage payments, things like that. So I don't have really any liquid funds to come from that to invest into. So I mean, I could fix up and keep both the KTMs. The 06 has the frame that I'd rather ride on for desert riding. It's a little bit thicker, but otherwise they're pretty much the same bike. The wheelbase is a little longer on the 06, but for what I'm into the 04, I'm really tempted to fix her up good, ride it some, sell it, and then put the money into the two bikes I got, maybe set some funds aside. The other thought that I have is if I could turn both of those KTMs into a electric start 2-stroke, that'd be sweet. That would be awesome. Because I'd really like to get into some hard enduro riding, some true hard enduro riding. And I could see myself benefiting from an e-start 2-stroke. They just make life a lot easier when you're halfway up a hill and not fighting to kickstart the bike. So I got that on my mind. Gonna have to switch the tire out of both the tire and the moose on the 06. Probably gonna do that this weekend and then take that on one of the rides. So Sunday we'll go into the Gila River right there. Monday, like we're doing a Cottonwood Canyon run, and Tuesday we're doing Florence to Superior on the Brutal Brunch ride. So should be a load of fun. But as always, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank you, I appreciate it. Stay safe. Cheers. Oh, the little cactus. Bunch of astrophytum. More astrophytum. I like astrophytum. Alright guys, have a good one. Later.